Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rebekah Cing, aka Now Cing. Here we are in my room trying to decorate our room again, so then all my uniform could fit in, and my sister bought like so many other things, and I'll show you guys and how it looks like. Cousin, her name is Mary Mwangnu. Say hi. She's helping us make this. I don't know what these are called, but we're building this right here. Oh, a garment rack. Okay, that's what we're building. So everything could fit in, and I still have all my uniform in there because I didn't have a hanger. We didn't have extra hangers, but they bought it for me, thanks to them. Yeah, and my room kind of looked like still a mess, and me and my sister share this room. Please don't judge. And I'll be getting out my uniforms and putting it on the hangers. Taking out my uniforms and putting on the hangers. This is called the fleece. Right here is the fleece I'm putting on my hanger. Okay, here we go. There's my hangers. One set of these hangers have 6, and so I have 12 because my sister bought me 2 packs. So put it in there. Zip it up. It's a lot. And I have my e-horse shoes. Have my socks, my white socks and my black socks for the e-horse. Put it on here on the side. Okay, and then my gloves for like winter season when it's cold. We wear gloves with. So yeah. Oh, you got shampoo. Alright. Hopefully the lighting is good right here, but I'm not really. Alright, I'm gonna just keep on continuing. Give me a second, it's like a smear. Alright, that'll be fine. Okay. These are the BMT towels they give us, and I just, bought some of them home. I don't know why. Maybe to show you guys what kind of towels they gave us. So they'll issue you like 3 or 4. I can't remember, 3 or 4 of these. And then a big towel. It's like unpacking all my stuff. Technically, this video is gonna be more like unpacking all my stuff. Guys, talk. You don't have anything to say? Okay, this is our rain jacket. It's really big. It's bigger than me, but yeah, you wear this when it's raining or like, I don't know, whenever it's raining. Put this on the hanger as well.
Feeling good, like I should.
Alright. Here I have my OCP pants. This is the one that I tailor from tech school. Tailor this and put joggers at the end. I did 2 set of uniforms, joggers, and tailor it, and it was like about 78. Rounded up with taxes, it was like 80-ish. Yeah. Put it on my hanger.
Oh, I like it. Oh.
Ouch. Okay. This is the way MTI would be wanting y'all to put your OCP pants.
I know what
This button are facing this way.
Very cute. Very cute.
This is the first blues belt that they issue us at BMT, okay? Not tech school. This is like the BMT version of the blues belt. Just showing you. It's hard. And I mean, it's comfy, I guess. Yeah, I didn't mind it. Alright, here's my OCP top. So this is the one that I tailored as well. Alright. So normally when I'm home or when I was in tech school, I just put them together. But in BMT, you have to put separately, I think. Yeah. You have to put the pants, the OCP pants, and the OCP top separately with the hangers. But now, I mean, there's no MTI. It's just me and my parents and my family, so I don't give a crap. So I'm just gonna put them together to save more hangers.
Don't give it. No, like I keep them now. No. Yeah, so you have to figure it out. Okay,
Alright. I have a lot coming on. Alright, this is
Oh,
my
coat.
coat, my US Air Force coat.
Right.
Right here. I need to wash it. Alright. Wow, kitchen mo. I don't think the hanger will be enough, but
You can take some from your closet.
yep.
You keep sucking.
It's a lot. I have a lot. Oh, this is my blues. I haven't washed it since like VMT. These are my long sleeve blues. My aunt just came by. I gotta unpack it because I don't want it to be stuffy. And these are my shirt.
Keep that.
Short sleeves. These are my short sleeves. Oh, go now.
Wow, ni gikuan je. Hisong ko bang solo niya.
My aunt is telling us how to like put away my split our beds. Alright, we quickly finished everything, and yeah, I'm about to show you guys how it looks like in my closet right now. Please don't judge and say anything about it or comment bad about it, because it is too much right now.
Nobody cares.
And it's just a lot. So please understand. Here I try to fit all of my uniforms, all my OCPs at the back, my blues in the front. It is too tight and I have a lot in my closet. I might need to reorganize this closet. It's just a lot. And I have no space for my uniforms. Now I have to be considering all my uniforms and then, you know, my other clothes. It's just too much right now, but this is the best I could get and show you guys how quickly I did. Yep, and then here we are still stuck, and then that's the product that my sister did. Alright.
You hear me?
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel every single time I post a new video, and thank you for the guys. Thank you to the viewers, and thank you to the viewers that likes my videos. And please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also give a thumbs up if you like my YouTube videos and if you want me to keep on continuing to do it. And also please follow my bestie, my roommate YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much for giving your time to watch my videos, and have a great Saturday. Thank you.